Hey everyone, this is Rich of the Rich Maxwell channel. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is about drones and photography, so if you like those things, please subscribe now and watch out for more of my videos. Maybe take a look at some of my older videos, as I've got videos about all sorts on here. I think there's now 50 videos on my channel. So this video, just talking about these propellers that you can get for the DJI Mavic Air. So these are the Master Airscrew version 2 Stealth propellers. So, being stealth propellers, they're meant to make the Mavic Air a bit more stealthy and quieter. So that's obviously something that we could all do with for our Mavic Air, as the Mavic Air by default, as everyone knows, sounds like a wild pack of bees in the air, and potentially scares quite a lot of people as it approaches over the trees overhead. So it's yeah, interesting little upgrade. Thought I'd give it a try. These propellers, found them on Amazon. Sold and fulfilled by Amazon for, I think it was 23 English pounds. So they only had the pink ones, unfortunately. I would have preferred the black ones, but my Mavic Air does have a sort of skin on it, so the pink ones kind of go with that, so I didn't mind too much about the colour. So yeah, I thought I'd give these a go and see what sort of difference they make. So in the box you get a nice little pouch and the instructions how to set up your gain and various settings in the Mavic Air menu system. So that made it really easy to get going with these propellers, and they clip into place really easily. The Mavic Air obviously has quick release propellers, so it's just a case of pushing down on the old ones and then twisting them while you're holding the motor still, and then the old ones unclip and you put your new ones in. Just got to be careful about the little white markings on the propellers. Make sure they match up with the ones that you're taking off, so that you've got propellers pointing the right way, as two of them point one way and two of them point the other way. And so yeah, then once you've got them on, you're good to go, and you just need to change those settings, like I said, so that the propellers are all set, and then that's meant to reduce the noise that the Mavic Air makes and also give you a slightly better battery life. Now, I haven't had a chance to test the battery life yet, but I've given them these propellers a quick flight over some fields near my house, just to check that the drone works okay and doesn't drop out the sky or do anything crazy, and I can report back that it flies just as good as it did with the original propellers, so no issues there, seems all good. The noise settings then, so the noise that the Mavic Air makes with these propellers, I've done a little comparison of the two here. In my opinion, there's not a lot of difference. I think the tone, like people say, does change slightly, but it's still pretty noisy. So let you judge for yourself right now and see what you think. As you can see, still pretty noisy. That was just done here in my spare room with my Rode Video Mic Pro hooked up pretty closely to the drones, and so in both videos I tried to keep the microphone at a similar distance to the drone so that I can give you quite a good accurate reflection of the difference, but the drone with these new propellers on did drift slightly in the room, which was a bit concerning at first, but I think it could be a case that the drone has to sort of set itself up with the new propellers to kind of get used to them, but it did seem to lock in position and hover better with the originals, so that's something that I might need to keep an eye on when I'm out flying, make sure it's not going to be drifting off anywhere and drifting into hazards like trees and things, as that would not be good. The tone, as I say, slightly different, but not massively. They seem to work just like the originals, and it's not an expensive upgrade really. It's about £20. It's debatable though whether it's really worth doing, as they are just little bits of plastic, so at £23 it is quite expensive for what you're getting. And like I said, it's not a huge difference in the noise. I think it may be slightly less noisy when it's up in the air, less noticeable perhaps, but it's, yeah, debatable. I think if you broke your original propellers, then yeah, maybe get these ones, but I'm not sure I'd, in hindsight, recommend going and picking these up, especially hoping that you'll get a dramatically quieter drone and maybe more flight time or anything like that. The flight time gains are quite minimal. I think they're talking about a 12% longer flight time, and the main selling feature is meant to be the noise reduction So I hope this video has been useful. Maybe if you're considering getting these propellers, or if you've got the propellers, let us know in the comments what you think of them and whether you think they're worth getting. As I say, personally, I'm a bit sort of on the fence about them. Not totally sold on the benefits of them, but I'm curious to see if my battery life extends with these propellers on. And at the end of the day, it hasn't done any harm to my drone. My drone still flies really good, and it's maybe made a slight difference to the noise, but not a great deal. So it's not one that I'd highly recommend as an upgrade for the Mavic Air. But yeah, let me know what you think. If you've got these yourself, let us know in the comments what your thoughts are on them. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, give it a like, and join me again for more content soon. Bye for now.